Look how light that is, come on. There you go, that's our poha. How easy is that? That doesn't take any time to make at all. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today we're doing Indian poha. We're making Indian poha. What is poha? This is poha. What is it? Flattened rice. That's it. Nothing to be confused about. It's rice. Rice that's been flattened. Makes a fantastic breakfast. Let's do it, come on. So we got our poha and we need to give that a little rinse. So in there with some water. Nice gentle stir around. Take some of that starch out of there. You can see all the starch. We need to sieve that. Okay, we're going to sieve that in there. We want the poha, but we don't want all the water. So it's got water all over it. What we'll do is we'll give it a little fluff up in a moment before we cook. There you go. That's all we do for prep. So that can rest on there and drain. And we get rid of that. And you know, the good thing with this, with the poha recipes, you know, most of the packages like this one carry a recipe on the back. So it's quite easy to follow and make. Really easy. Okay, we want to get a pan. Now this is a good old pan. It's steel. You don't have to go crackers with the heat on this. It's going to heat up. It's a steel pan. Oh, a couple of spoons, don't we? Right, I'm using curry leaves today. If you can't get curry leaves, don't put them in. Simple. Don't worry, you don't have to think, oh, I can't make it, I don't have curry leaves. Don't put them in. Okay, we're going to go in there with a little bit of oil. We're going in there with some peanuts. Now we're going to give them a little toasting in there and they're coming out back into that bowl. And we're not toasting to burn, so it's steady. Nice and steady. Little sizzle on there, look. Now the good thing about using these steel pans, and a bad thing, they stay extremely hot. So you really can cook on a very low flame. Okay, let's have those peanuts out of there. You don't want to burn them. Got a heck of a shimmer on there, look, and we've only got that there. Just give that poha a little fluff up in there. Gentle, gentle, gentle. So we're going in there with some mustard seeds. They're popping already. In there with some cumin seeds. That's released their flavour. In there with some onion. What a fabulous smell. A little golden on the onion. We're not trying to brown it in any way. Just a little tinge on there, translucent. Keep it nice and steady. Now you can actually put ghee in there as well if you want to flavour it up. You know, a lot of people say, we don't use ghee. Well, when you're cooking, you can cook how you want. So I'll put some at the back and it will drag through. And there's different types of ghee, okay, cow ghee, and this one, there you go. In there, some curry leaves. In there, green chilli. This is a fiery little Thai chilli. Now you can have all the add-ins. You can put potato in here, cubed up small. You know, you blanch your potato 5 minutes in some boiling water, and you can put that in here, cubed up. You can add a little bit of cauliflower if you want. I've seen all sorts of stuff added to Poha. Don't worry about it. Add what you like. I'm going to go in there with a little bit of turmeric. Little stir around. We've got our Poha. Now you can chip your peanuts back in there actually. Let's put the peanuts back in. Our Poha in there. We're just going to stir it through nice and gently. Try not to be heavy-handed. If you're heavy-handed, you're going to break it all up. It wants to be nice and light. Stirred through. Oh, what a fabulous recipe this is. Now on here, salt and sugar to taste. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt. To taste, whatever you want. Nice and gentle. That's looking delicious. Look at that. Right, what you want to do, you want to just a little bit of, just level that out a little minute. What you want to do is a little bit of water in there. Not much. We're not trying to wet this as such. Grab a lid. Put a lid on and let it steam for a couple of minutes. Okay, I think that's good enough. Flame off. Look at that. That looks a bit special. Okay, a little bit of lemon juice goes on there and some coriander. We're going to give it that little bit of a zingy freshness. A little bit of coriander. And just give it a little fluff up. Gentle fluff over. Oh, look at that. Sensational. What a quick, easy rice breakfast. It's rice, come on. Look at that. Fabulous. Come on, let's serve it up. On there. Look how light that is. Come on. There you go, that's our Poha. How easy is that? That doesn't take any time to make at all. Come on. There you go, fabulous easy rice dish. That's our Poha. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is unbelievable. You've got that little bit of a warming from the green chilli. It's salty enough, but you can put more salt. It's sweet enough, but you put more sugar. You've got the taste of the turmeric, the curry leaves, the peanuts, the onions, cumin through there, mustard seeds in the back. It's delicious. Fantastic, easy rice dish. Now I like this with yogurt, so I'm going to have to get some yogurt in a minute. I like a spoon of yogurt in there. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make Poha. You know, it's just rice flattened out, and obviously we put the spices and things with it. A1. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video.